Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Yes, it shows which foreigners don't see how serious this thing is. They think we are still in those days where they will say we are not going anywhere, we are not scared of anyone. They don't even see what police are gradually pulling away from them. They don't even see that police are gradually going back to where they belong. Very soon they will stop defending them. They are forgetting that these police are also South Africans. This is their country. They can see what these people are destroying their country. And remember, if my child is under the bridge today because of powder that was brought by foreigners, tomorrow it will be a child of a policeman. Because it's not written on the foreheads of these children that my father is a police, my father is a general or a politician. No. And remember, these people, they are selling powder to whoever they come across with. These people will sell powder to that child even if they know that this is a child of a general. Because what these people want is money. They don't care who your father is. Let's watch this video, guys.
Drop the attitude so that will help you. I'm talking to you. Drop your attitude and give us the papers. I'm talking to you and we are dropping the attitude. What is wrong with you? Are you hungry?
I'm not.
You want to sleep?
No.
We are working here and I'm not going to tolerate your nonsense.
What are you doing? Yeah, we're giving you one for the people. No.
The verification is not done on the road. How many times must we tell you that the verification is not done on the road? I'm talking to him and he's telling me that he's not going to move from the car because there's no one in the car.
Because it's not closing.
It's not closing. That is another issue. Can you please go and check that car if it's roadworthy and give him a ticket? Just check if it's roadworthy first. Let's go. Let's go. You get your papers in the car. Let's go. Because of your attitude, that's why I'm pulling you like this. You don't drop your attitude. Go inside. Don't get caught. Next time, drop the attitude.
I'm from all my family. They don't live as a state. What is it now? Sunday.
Any person who says foreigners were hijacking buildings and taking them over, they don't want to remove them, they must raise their hands. This is the time where we as South Africans have two options. It's either we fight or we perish. Why we are not going to allow us to perish? And any person who supports those who want to kill us here in the country, then they must live with them. Any single politician who believes that it's normal for people to come to our country and sell drugs, they must go with them. Any person who believes that a person who turns women into prostitutes must be defended and protected, they must live with them.
Powerful.
What we are not going to do is vote for clowns here. And if it means we are not going to vote for anyone and every political party, so be it.
Yes.
If you can't have them in government, we'll govern ourselves here.
Yes.
We have the power to control this country, and we're going to do that. What we're asking, let's do it within the ambit of the law. We must respect politicians, we must respect government, we must respect foreigners who are here illegally.
Uso eva okwazi ukuthi angasincengela ufela icela sincengela ngoba lesi simo sekho sihle lesi. Ukuthi abantu bakithi la ndile enkani too much. Aliboniseki. Hayi. siyibonile i-operation Dudula kaNhlanhla Lux, sayibona i-operation Dudula kaZandile, kodwa kuleli zinga leli hayi abazange bafike, baphelele esitaradeni bematsha besesitaradeni, ezindlini lapho kuhlala khona abantu abazange bafike. Yazi bafethu, mali seselomcabango ukuthi abantu laba bayadlala, ma usazitshela ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe lento abantu bazoyeka, mbona ngathi labe liyazikhohlisa bafethu. Laba abantu abadlali, and mbona ngathi futhi indaba ka-30 June hayi abasazi kuyilinda. Laba bantu sebebuya ngolunyawo olunzima kakhulu. Andiyabona thesi ziyajika impahla, abantu bayaluza ama-properties abo. Ngama-TV la amanye aliwabona ejikwa phansi from efletini ejikelwa phansi. Cabanga ukuthi wena iyafika iphila phansi, ifika iphelile.
If all Africans were thinking like this, Africa was going to be a better place for all of us. Unfortunately, Africans does not want to fight for their countries. I'm saying this because this brother took a very wise decision. He decided to relocate back to Zimbabwe with his family, and he's doing very well in Zimbabwe than he was in South Africa. If all Africans were thinking like that, Africa was going to be a better place for all of us. But no, they are fighting for South Africa. If you tell them to go home and fight for their rights in their own countries, they fight with you. They will refuse. We are not going anywhere. All this. Look at what is happening in their countries. People are being unalived each and every day because amadoda kulama countries. There are no men in those countries to fight for the women, to fight for the children. Men are running away instead of fighting for their children, instead of fighting for their women. And they are busy blaming South Africans for fighting for their country. They are busy calling themselves really men in South Africa. They are busy breaking for South African men, men who are fighting for their country, really men in Africa. They are only warriors when it comes to fight for women, to brag about women. But they cannot brag about fighting for their countries. What kind of an African man is that? Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.